Perfection is not rushed inside Pagani. It is whispered into carbon fiber, measured in microns, and shaped by obsession. This factory does not chase speed alone. It chases feeling, balance, and purity, where every second slows so mechanical art can be born before the world ever sees the finished masterpiece.
Welcome back. The Zonda restoration is ready for inspection.
Excellent. Let's ensure the finish is flawless.
And scale through automation, Pagani scales through discipline, precision, and human responsibility, ensuring that each car represents the philosophy of its founder, not the pressure of volume, and remains uncompromised by trends or market demands. Before a Pagani hypercar achieves its legendary status, it begins as raw materials and meticulous planning. Every carbon fiber panel is inspected, cut, and layered by hand. The chassis is measured repeatedly, ensuring absolute structural integrity. Wheels, brakes, and suspension components are aligned with precision instruments, while artisans prepare the interior leather, stitching, and hand-polished metal details. Each process, from assembly to detailing, is deliberate. Engineers monitor every torque value, every weld, and every fitting, ensuring nothing is left to chance. Even the smallest part undergoes multiple inspections, reflecting Pagani's obsession with perfection. The workshop hums with focused energy, soft clinks of tools, measured vibrations, and the low murmur of calibration devices. Time seems to stretch, not to slow the car, but to allow human craft to assert itself. Watching a car gradually emerge from parts to a coherent whole is hypnotic, a precise dance where artistry and engineering converge in perfect harmony. At the heart of every Pagani hypercar lies the engine, a masterpiece of mechanical engineering that defines the car's character and soul. Unlike mass-produced vehicles, where engines are assembled at relentless speed, here each component is handled with deliberate care. Every cylinder, piston, and crankshaft is inspected for absolute precision, measured against tolerances so tight that even a micron deviation could compromise performance. The naturally aspirated or twin-turbocharged V12 engines are built not just for speed, but for a symphony of power, responsiveness, and emotional connection. Technicians work methodically, hand-fitting each part while referencing detailed blueprints and calibration data. Bearings are checked under magnification, valves are adjusted with micrometer accuracy, and pistons glide into cylinders with near-artistic grace. The engine block itself is a canvas, its surface is polished and aligned to exacting specifications. Sensors, wiring harnesses, and fluid channels are routed carefully to optimize both performance and longevity, ensuring that the machine operates flawlessly under extreme conditions. The assembly is accompanied by continuous testing. Compression ratios, fuel injection timing, and turbo pressures are calibrated repeatedly. The engine is started, stopped, and restarted, each time fine-tuned to meet Pagani's uncompromising standards. Sound is not an afterthought. The growl of the exhaust is tuned, a visceral tone designed to excite, warn, and inspire. Finally, the engine is married to the chassis. Every mount, bracket, and connection is verified. Vibrations are measured and dampened, balance is confirmed, and power delivery is perfected. This union is more than mechanical, it is philosophical. The result is a heart that does more than move the car. It moves the driver, commanding attention, demanding respect, and delivering a performance that transcends numbers. At Pagani, power is not measured merely in horsepower or torque. It is measured in emotion, precision, and the relentless pursuit of perfection. a testament to the artistry and engineering that define every vehicle leaving this workshop.
While technology provides tools, human hands give Pagani its soul. Every surface, every stitch, and every detail is touched, adjusted, and perfected by artisans who treat the car as both machine and masterpiece. The cabin is a study in meticulous craftsmanship. Leather is stretched and stitched by hand, carefully matched in color and texture to harmonize with carbon fiber and metal accents. Instruments are aligned, panels fitted, and switches tested with deliberate care. Nothing is left to chance. In the body shop, carbon fiber panels are sanded, polished, and layered with precision that only human judgment can achieve. Light plays across the surfaces, revealing the subtle curves and contours that define Pagani's aesthetic. Technicians move with quiet confidence, aware that every gesture contributes to the emotional impact of the car when it leaves the factory. Even the smallest components, from the hand-finished door handles to the badges and vents, receive attention. The application of paints and lizard green accents is deliberate, each stroke measured to enhance reflection, depth, and visual harmony. This stage is where performance meets artistry. Machines cannot replicate the intuition, patience, and instinct required to elevate a hypercar from a collection of components into an emotional experience. Watching a Pagani take shape at this stage is witnessing dedication, obsession, and human pride embodied in the finest details, where passion transforms precision into beauty and engineering into emotion.
No Pagani leaves the factory without rigorous testing. Every panel gap is measured, every surface inspected, every system calibrated. Suspension geometry is verified, brakes are tested under extreme conditions, and electronics are fine-tuned for flawless responsiveness. Engines are run, torque applied, and performance data recorded with precision instruments. Vibrations are measured, fluid systems checked, and alignment perfected. Nothing is assumed, everything is proven. Engineers methodically document each result, repeating tests until standards are met. The goal is absolute confidence. By the time the car reaches the final stage, it is more than a hypercar. It is a perfected machine, tested, refined, and ready to deliver the unfiltered Pagani experience exactly as intended. The factory quiets, leaving only the finished Pagani 911 GT3 RS in soft ambient light. Every surface gleams, every curve reflects careful craftsmanship. The artisans step back, their work complete, revealing a hypercar that embodies precision, passion, and perfection. Time slows as the car sits ready, a testament to patience and human skill. Here, performance meets artistry, and every detail whispers the philosophy of Pagani, exquisite, deliberate, and uncompromising.